Hey guys, so I'm starting off a brand new vlog. Today is Tuesday. I uploaded a vlog yesterday, Monday, because it wasn't ready for my regular Sunday upload. So starting this one off in the middle of the week as well. Currently on my computer editing. I have, for this week, I'm uploading a video every day as a little treat for you guys. So I'm just gonna get the video for today finalized and ready to be uploaded. Wearing my teddy coat. It's not even cold outside. It's literally like 80 degrees. It was colder this morning in my defense, but it definitely warmed up, but I don't care. I'm channeling fall, channeling the weather I want by wearing the clothing for the season, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish up this video. Put some stuff in the description box because I need to do that more often. I always get impatient with people when they continuously ask me the same question, but I don't blame you guys because I'm not putting the information in the description box as promised. So I'm just going to do that right now, and then basically I'll check in back with you guys later or another day. Don't really know yet. Let me just finish this up, and I also have work stuff to do, which is I need a break. I need a break. So I'm just gonna finish up editing, and I'll check back in later or another day. As I said, talk soon. So if you hadn't guessed, I'm in Target right now, which is, it's very chaotic at the moment, so I kind of just want to grab what I want and leave because I can't deal with it right now. I wanted to come here and grab a few things, and I'm in a clothes section. I didn't come here for clothes, but. So this is the top that I'm talking about. It's just their classic tees. So I'm currently in the Thanksgiving home area. I really don't want to decorate too much in my place because I feel like Thanksgiving is only for a month. Then I'm gonna hate all the orange. The throws are really nice and they actually have a sale. So I kind of want to get some of these like things and put in like a tall bowl thing. I don't know. I'm not cut out for this stuff. So I kind of wanted to put some of these in like a nice like long, where is it? So I found the aisle that I've been looking for. Okay, let me see. Looking for these to go in the thing under my TV. So I wanted to put these under my little TV stand, but I don't know if it's too dark. I think it looks alright. I was kind of looking for something more like this, but I feel like this would be okay too. Because it has like a mixture, you know, like light and darks, but majority dark. Next problem, there's only 2. I need 3. I hope they're not too high. Or like these, but they're kind of small. I don't know, you guys. I may just get these 3 because there's only 2 of that and 3 of this, so I don't know. So I am at IKEA. I'm in the grocery section. I just came to return that mirror that I had in my room, the white one, because I want the Havet mirror, the one that's a little bit bigger. And here's my sister, by the way. So they gave me a gift card, so I'm gonna go get the bigger one and a rug for the living room. So we're kind of just walking through right now. Heading down to the marketplace. Guys, I really like the bedding with the little trimming at the end. Obviously not yellow, but let me see. On to the bathroom. Funny story, the last time I was here, I left my phone in this aisle, just sitting on the thing, and I was at the cash register. So I'm like, where's my phone? So I sprint back in here because I'm like, I was looking at towels, and this is where I lost it. It was just sitting, it was like sitting casually, and it was busy, and I'm like, yo, God. So one of the reasons we are here is to get a rug. So let's get this party started. Guys, look how cute it is over here. This is the Leggings. I don't know what rug I want yet. Nope. Oh, the neutral section is here. So this is the mirror I had. The one I want is... The mirror I want, I don't see it on display. Where is it? So the one that I had, you guys know, is this one, but it was on the floor, so not mounted, which looks really nice. But I didn't want to have to put holes in my wall, so I need to figure out. This is my outfit, by the way. The back's like cut out. Let me see. Let's focus. Heading to grab that mirror now. My sister's waiting for me. Okay. Hey guys, so I haven't vlogged all weekend. I vlogged for a bit when my family was here, but I really haven't vlogged, you know what I mean? Sorry, let me just unplug you guys. So, yeah, I haven't really vlogged in a while, which I need to stop doing because my vlogs are the most popular things on my channel. It's what you guys like to see the most. But I had so many videos to get out, so I really haven't had time to like vlog and do nothing, just vlog and talk. So hey, so things to update you on, not much has been going on besides my new mirror, which you guys saw me purchase, saw me get. This is a new mirror from IKEA. It's pretty large. It's literally the size of my door, just a little bit shorter, but it's pretty darn big. I decided to get this because I think with like my channel growing, you guys being so interested in like my outfits, I decided to get a proper mirror for like OOTDs. That way I can show more, show better, because one of the reasons why I don't like doing OOTDs is because my mirror was too short and it was just like, ugh. So got a big one to just, you know, it was pretty pricey, you guys. It was pretty pricey for a mirror. Let me switch you guys. It was pretty pricey for a mirror. I believe it was $129, but I traded my other mirror that was $50 to put towards this. So it wasn't too bad, you know, it was like 80 something dollars if I'm doing the math correctly. Probably not, but yeah, I really like it. It's pretty large. At first, when I first got it, I was like, oh, I don't know, it's too big. It's so like out of place, but you know what? Now it has grown on me, so I know I like it. But yeah, this is the situation that's going on right now in my room. I just finished filming a Teddy Blake unboxing, what's in my bag type of video. Now I'm gonna clean up this mess, go make dinner, and come back. But yeah, that's what's been going on with me. Not much to report on, really, unfortunately. Well, not unfortunately. No news is good news. That's what I say. But yeah, not much to talk about. I've been very consistent with my videos, and you guys have been so happy about that, and that makes me so happy because you guys really want more content and I'm trying to push it out. Even though I will say with me putting out a lot more content, I feel like I'm not taking my time to edit. But you guys know my editing style is like not even editing. It's very simple, just like a few cut transitions, end screen, music. It's very simple, but I feel like I'm not making it as polished as I can. But you know, it's fine. I try not to stress about it too much because you guys don't even care. Like, I'm just the one over here like, what if they hear me stutter? What if they see me do this? What if I didn't crop that, you know? But you guys are like just so happy for the content. I'm happy that you guys are watching because I'm making content for you guys to watch. So if you guys are enjoying them, that's really what's important. But yeah, I hit 20K and I'm so excited. Okay, guys, my heart is so full. Like, and it seems so small to some and maybe to you guys, but it's so big to me because you guys are just like so like positive. We're like a little sisterhood over here. Like, we talk, you guys DM me all the time and we have conversation. You guys send me memes, we laugh together, you guys comment and tell me, you know, it's just like a little sisterhood. It makes me happy. So right now, like I said, I'm gonna go make dinner. So this isn't my favorite Alfredo sauce. Just wanted to come on here and say that quick bit. I don't really like it. I really have to season this in order for me to like it. So I'm gonna add it in here with some milk to thin it out a little bit because it's way too creamy. Hey guys, good morning. So it's Wednesday today. I'm currently getting ready for work. What am I gonna do right now? Okay, let me just put you guys right here for a second. So I'm finishing up with getting ready for work right now. I just need to lotion, put on some perfume, and then we're all set. Also, for the acrylic containers that I said I was gonna give away, I ended up just repurposing one of them because I did need something to hold like all my sunglasses and like little miscellaneous jewelry. So I ended up just using it for that. So for today's outfit, I'm just wearing this black sweater and the leather tights that I told you guys about, except this is the one from Amazon, not the one from Shein, because I did not like it. Even the one from Amazon is a lot like better and taller, like it's really high-waisted, but it could be tighter as well. I got a small, but I could have used a extra small, so I may go back and get an extra small again. So I will leave the link to these in my description box in case you guys are interested. But yep, as for the shoe, I might wear these only because I won't have much time to wear them after it gets really cold, so I just want to wear them now. There's like labels on my floor. I've been literally trying on clothes all morning. So I'm still using these products from the new brand that I found on Instagram, and it's free. I've been really obsessed with the products. One thing I will say, sorry. Let me try to open this. One thing I will say about the consistency, it's very moisturizing. It's kind of like a jelly portion. I really love this product though. I use this as the last product. So after toning and moisturizing, I kind of just add this on top and I really love how it feels. It's not sticky at all and my skin just has a really nice glow to it. So for this product, I haven't used it on its own yet. I've just been using it in addition to this one. So I'm not really sure how this works on its own, but it smells absolutely amazing. I don't know if it's the orchid or whatever is in here, but it smells absolutely divine. So yeah, I really love these products. I do have a couple more of their stuff though. Like this is like their sample stuff that they gave me. I finished the eye cream. I haven't used the other ones yet, and I really love the lip thing. It's kind of like a blue tint, as I showed you guys in my previous vlog, but it turns pink after a while, so it's pretty cool. I just have these on my bathroom sink in this little miniature acrylic case, only because it's really just like cute here, and I can just put all my products in here. Especially, this is like wet, I don't know why, but I like keeping my products in here so I remember to use them, because I really want to try out this brand and, you know, report back to you guys, letting you know if I like it or not. So yeah. Hey guys, it's currently Thursday. I'm not at work. I took a personal day to kind of like get some stuff done and film some videos and everything, and it's a pretty quiet day at work, so it wasn't a big deal. But yeah, I just finished filming like a haul for this store called African Mall. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it. I've been seeing it on YouTube for quite some time now. So I was very curious to try it, so I tried on a couple of their pieces. Guys, it's a big pile on my bed right now. I don't know if you guys can see, like there's clothes on my bed, there's stuff on the floor. I'm gonna have so much fun cleaning this up. But yeah, this is actually one of the sets that I'm wearing right now. Let me show you. It's such a nice day today, but still not. Like, it's gloomy, but it's kind of sunny. But anyways, so this is the set that I currently have on. It's just like a little cropped sweatshirt and like this like short thing. I really like it. I'm actually very surprised that I would like it this much, because when like the whole time I was like, watch this come and look completely different. I'm actually pretty impressed at the quality and how true to the picture the items are, so that's pretty cool. I think I had like one piece that I was like but everything else was pretty nice. But yeah, I'm basically here to close out this vlog though, because I have to start a new one this weekend. This vlog that you're watching should have been up on like the 6th, like this past Sunday, but I was just not in the mood to edit, and it's now Thursday and it's still not up, so I'm just here to close this out really. So yeah, closing this one out. I will be seeing you guys in my next vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, I didn't really do much in this vlog. Didn't like go out that much, but you know, it's all good. I know you guys will appreciate it just the same. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up this mess behind me and edit some of these videos that I've been filming, you know, just so the day won't be like a complete waste. I want to at least try to be productive. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next vlog, and yeah, see you soon.